Hello, friends. I never thought I'd say this, but turning 60 has been the best thing that's ever happened to me in a long, long time. And no, it's not because I retired, because I'm not retired by any means. At 60, I had to start all over again, and it hasn't been easy. And it's not because I have it all figured out, because I definitely do not. Actually, like I said, it's because I'm starting over from scratch. But what's crazy is that I feel like I'm alive again because I discovered something that's giving me freedom, purpose, and even income. If it's not too late for me, then it's definitely not too late for you either. So, what I want to do today is I want to share my YouTube journey with you. And today I'm going to tell you why starting a YouTube channel at 40, at 50, at even at 60, 70, 80 can change everything. And it's changed everything for me, and it could change everything for you too. So let me share something with you. A few months ago, I was at the lowest point of my life. I didn't have a job. I didn't have a vision for a future. I didn't have the income to carry me into retirement. My identity was tied to that income, to that job, to that role. And I thought, now what? What do I do? And society says I should just fade quietly into the background at 60 because you're 60. What do you have to do? But deep inside me, I knew I wasn't done. I knew I had something left to give, but I didn't know where to start. I felt lost, but on the other hand, I felt, gosh, I still have so much to give. I'm still way young enough to not do anything. I still have to make some kind of income because I have to live. I have to plan for my future. I have to do something. So after many months of just pondering and thinking and being depressed, I stumbled across a YouTube video, not from a kid and not from a millionaire, but from someone like me, older, in their 60s, and they were documenting their journey. And I thought, wow, that's kind of cool. How come they can do it? And why not me? Why can't I do it? What if I could start something new? What if I could speak to people my age who feel just as lost as I do? So I researched a little bit and I realized YouTube isn't just for gamers or influencers or 20-year-olds or millionaires or people dancing on TikTok. It's for people with real stories, real experiences, and real wisdom. And guess what? There are millions of people over 50 searching for a connection, for some inspiration, and for some answers. So let's do some math. There are 2.7 billion, and that's with a B, billion monthly users on YouTube. Even if just 0.01% of them are looking for advice for someone over 60, that's still 270,000 people. It's a stadium full of people waiting to hear from you and waiting to hear from me. YouTube gave me a platform, but more than that, it gave me purpose. For the first time in years, I'm building something of my own. I wake up with excitement in the morning, and I'm not going to lie to you, and fear some days because it's not an easy thing to do. And it's very scary to sit there and talk to a camera and know that people are going to watch you. But you know what? Every video I make is a brick in the foundation of my new life. And that is exciting. So let's talk about the 3 unexpected gifts YouTube has given me. Number 1 is freedom. I don't need permission to be creative. And for those of you who watched my last video, do you remember what creativity is? It's just mindset. I decide what to post. I decide when to post it and how I show up. That kind of freedom at 60, that's rare. And it's very, very powerful. Income potential. I started learning how creators make money. Ad revenue, affiliate marketing, digital products, even small YouTubers with 1,000 subscribers can make $500 to $1,000 a month. And if you grow, maybe 10,000 subscribers can mean $3,000 to $5,000 a month, depending on your niche and the offers you get and how you grow your channel. That kind of income can change everything. Here's a scenario. Let's just say I post 2 videos a week. Each one earns just $50 in the beginning from ads or affiliate links. And that's if I am monetized, which means I have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So if each one earns $50 in the beginning from ads or affiliate links, that's $400 a month, enough for groceries or maybe my utility bill. Then I grow, and that $400 becomes $2,000 a month. And now I can dream of moving abroad, which is my goal anyway, to move back home to Greece. Maybe I could travel or help my family or help my kids start their future. What about my self-worth? This one is priceless. When people comment or tell me, you inspired me, or I needed to hear this today, or I feel something I haven't felt in a long time, that means I matter again. I have self-worth. And I didn't need a fancy degree or a Hollywood face, just my voice, my truth, and this face that God gave me, the only one I got. If you're over 50, you're over 60, you're over 70, you're over 80, it doesn't matter. And you think it's too late, let me be living proof that it's not. There are several YouTubers out there right now. There's one gentleman, and he started his YouTube channel at 80. And his motto is, if you ain't dead, you ain't done. And I agree with him 1,000%. And you don't need to be a tech wizard, because I am definitely not. I am what you call a tech tard. That means I know the basic minimum of anything techie. And you don't need a studio, as you can see. That's my home. All you need is a message. All you need is a desire and a decision to stop waiting and start sharing. I'm still learning. I'm still growing. I'm just at the beginning. I'm still fumbling my way through editing software and thumbnails, which can be quite intimidating. But guess what? Each video is a victory. Each video is a stepping stone. Each video is 1% better than the last video. So if I can do it, you definitely can do it. If this message speaks to you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe, and come with me on this journey. Let's figure this out together. And if you're ready to reinvent your life too, or you're interested in growing your own YouTube channel, take this journey with me. Subscribe, comment, I want to take this journey with you, and let's do it together. Drop a comment below and say, I'm ready, because we're just getting started. And the best is yet to come. So until next time, my friends, be the best you could be. Be fearless. Be good to each other. And I will see you in the next video.